Hello, my name is Caden Suter and I'm a Salesforce consultant at Solved Cloud. Today I'm going to be answering the question, how does Agentforce ensure data accuracy in case management? Agentforce is deeply integrated with the Salesforce platform. What does this mean? This means that agents have access to your records, your objects, and your field, your metadata, so that it knows what data needs to be collected in order to create a case. Along with being deeply integrated in Salesforce, you can also connect it to outside sources such as Data Cloud so that it can have the context that it needs from your internal and external sources to provide service to your customers. That alone is not going to be enough for your agent to provide accurate data to your Salesforce org. You're also going to have to configure your agent in a way that it's going to collect accurate data and provide accurate data to you from your customers. So how do you do that? When configuring your agent, you're going to provide a description, a role, and even company goals, what your company does. And the more details that you give here, the better. The more context that your agent will have and the better customer service that it will provide. Once you have given it its role, you're going to go ahead and create a few agent actions. These are going to be flows or Apex classes that you create that the agent can then run to create cases, to grab existing cases related to the customer, or even identify a customer. To get your agent to run these agent actions, you're going to provide it instructions. First off, you're going to provide your agent with a classification description and scope, telling it what the scope of its job is. The more details there, the better. You then provide instructions that will tell it when to run certain agent actions and how to interact with customers. For example, in the second instruction, if the customer is not known, you must always ask for their email address and their membership number to get their contact record by running the get customer details, the action, before running any other actions. So first thing that the agent should do is get the customer information, and you have to tell it to run that action. You're also going to have to tell it what information needs to be collected and when. So the more details you provide here, the better. API names to your fields is going to be important as well, as the agent will need that information to collect that data. Here you can see how I was able to interact with this agent. I mentioned that I would like to create a case, and the first thing that the agent did was ask me to provide my email address and membership number so that I could look at my contact. Followed the instructions great there. So I provided it with that information. It found the contact details and asked if I wanted to create a new case. So they're great at following instructions, but they do have to be detailed instructions to grab the correct information. It went through, grabbed the correct information from me, and created a case. That is how you are going to ensure that your agent is collecting accurate data and importing that data into your Salesforce org. Hopefully this video helped in answering the question for you, how you can use agents to ensure data accuracy in case management. Thanks.